how to set up private or incognito tab with iOS 26.5. First, let's go back to the home screen. In here, tap on Shortcuts. And in Shortcuts, tap on the Add button. Then in here, tap on Search, and we look for Private. So create new private tab. Next, we go down and tap on Search Action, and we type in Ask for input. Here, tap on Text, and we choose Number. For prompt, we put in Enter PIN. And type in Action. If ask for input, and we put in the PIN number, tap on Done, and then we type in home screen. Now we go to the top and choose an icon. Here we type in private tab or lock, and then I'll use that one, and then choose icon. I'll set to red color, and we add it to the home screen. We will rename it first, so we rename it, and we give it private tab, and I'll add it to the home screen. Okay, so here I'll move it over here. Now if we tap on private tab, if you put in the correct PIN, then we should be able to view it. So here, if I tap on private tab, we're now in private tab. If we put in the wrong password, it goes to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.